Today we'll mimic a realistic glass reflection in Photoshop. Start by duplicating your subject layer and flipping it vertically. Drag the flipped version beneath the original to act as the reflection. Reduce its opacity to around 35 to 45%. Add a motion blur at a slight angle to simulate light scattering. Then apply a mask and use a large, soft brush to fade the reflection gradually as it moves downward. This gives the illusion of a glass surface. Next, add subtle streaks by drawing thin white lines and lowering opacity. Change their blending mode to overlay or soft light, so they look like light hitting glass. Add a very slight blue tint to the reflection to make it more realistic. Your final image feels sleek and modern, a perfect effect for product photos or creative portraits.